like a wave. Can't get no sleep, 'cause you're all I need. I can barely breathe when you're next to me. 'Cause
Good morning, Tris.
your love is
Investor Z, let's go.
wave. 'Cause your love is like a wave. 'Cause your love is
Good morning. Good morning, Keegan. Off the ground. Hello, Heather. Happy Monday. It is Monday. A new week, a new day. Let's do it. Let's do this thing. How was everyone's weekend? My weekend was pretty good. It was pretty chill. Didn't do too much. Just basically got to relax and recharge. It was definitely needed. I slept. Got some good sleep in. It felt so nice to sleep in on Saturday. Hey, No Luck Pure Skill, Son of Wall Street, good morning. Let's go. I love it. Let's manifest the winning today. What is everyone going to work on this week? I am going to work on that risk management component. I was thinking this morning, about how my job is to be a good risk manager. Number one, right? Like the wins take care of themselves. I don't know why we're so obsessed with like the green when it's controlling that red and then the green just happens. Like if you've been trading for a while, like the winning is the easy part. It's when we have those losing trades and those losing days that can really get out of hand. And then it wipes out all of the green days plus more. And that is just no way to be. It's just a stressful way of living, I think. Hey, Son of Wall Street. Son of Wall Street is asking why I like Tradeify. So yeah, I just love it. It's simple. It's web-based. I just trade with it. I also have Trading View. So I will be trading with that more. It's funny that you're asking me this because someone just asked me this on my X. And yes, I do like both. I've just been mostly trading on Tradeivate this whole time. So I do have some edgeful indicators on Trading View. And so I will be trading more on Trading View because of that. And then also because of those indicators. And then also they have algos as part of the upgraded subscription. And so I'll be testing those out. I was playing around with them this weekend. It was quite fun. Anyone else play around with algos? I think the advantage of trading with algos is it takes out the emotions out of things, right? For the most part. So you can just program it, set it, forget it type of thing, at least for a while, and then go back and optimize it. But I think you never know. Even if you have a really great back test, it doesn't mean that the market is going to continue with those chances, that probability that you found the results that you found in the back test. Everyone smash that like button for me if you haven't already. Good morning, Ty, Bori, ICT, let's go. So I'm just waiting for a setup here overnight. Oh, excuse me. Oh, a frog in my throat. Good morning, Ins. So overnight, we've just pretty much been choppy, but still trending up higher. Yesterday's high is up here. Will we go test it today? Possibly. The overnight high is 868. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have to warm up my voice. Oh, good morning, Adrian. How's the trading going, Adrian? Adrian is a gamer for people who don't know. It seems like a lot of gamers come into day trade and you guys do really well. Yeah, so you can connect with me on X. I'm at Terri Trades 100 on X. I don't have a Discord yet. I do want to do that soon, eventually. I just don't feel ready to do it yet, but I think soon. One day I'm going to surprise you guys. You'll come here and say good morning. We'll spend the morning together, and then I'll say, guess what? We started a Discord. Excuse me. Hey, Demian. All right, let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, as you can see here, lots of consolidation overnight. Wow. Friday was an interesting day, wasn't it? It definitely tricked a lot of people, I think. So this is a big week. We have lots of news this week. Let's take a look. I know we have non-farm payrolls at the end of the week. So today we just have a Fed speaker. Great Britain, I think. I'm not seeing anything on the calendar, the news calendar for today. We do have news this week. What do we got? JOLTS job openings tomorrow, news data, ADP weekly employment change. That is very exciting. That's Tuesday. Wednesday, we have FOMC expecting a rate cut. Everyone is expecting a rate cut of 0.25 expectation. Thursday, we have more jobs data coming in. And then we have Friday. Is it on here? It's supposed to be on here. I'm not. Oh, you know what? Actually, the non-farm payrolls is on the 16th, but we still have lots of news this week, and we also have FOMC. Hey, Rocky. Good morning. Okay. No Luck Pure Skills says want to see 7.50 high. Stay alive. So a small stop loss. SMT high. So are you shorting Pure Skill? You're shorting and hoping that 750. Oh, wait, we're at 805. I'm confused about your trade. Yes, exactly. Thank you, Tris. No news today. Tris is reminding us. Damien wants to learn about the inside-outside bars. Yeah, do you know who has a great video on it right now? Is Pine Tree Trader. So he actually showed us all the first inside bar break. And so you can go ahead and watch that video. Let me pull it up for you. And he explains the strategy really well. Shout out to Pine. I don't know if he's awake yet. Yeah, one of his subscribers actually took an account live with Top Step, all based on inside bars. Okay, Pine Tree Trader. Let's see if it comes in. Pine Tree Trader inside bar strategy. Oh, it did come in. It's titled Orb Killer. Okay, here we go. Copy. Yeah, if one presents itself, we will take it together. I am taking it on the My Fund of Future stream, and then I put on my own twist to it. So I'm going 1-to-1 on it, and then if it fails immediately, I will take the reverse for a 1-to-1, and we are tracking the results. And then every Friday, I'm going to go over the results with Tom Sabo on the morning show on My Fun Future stream. Hey, 007, good morning. Awesome! You're welcome. God bless all of you. Yes, I definitely need more coffee. Corey, what is up, my friend? Oh, guess who we have on this week as a special guest? Sean Swoyer. He is a trading psychologist and he will be helping us. I believe he is scheduled for Thursday on Terri Trades 100. So make sure you're here on Thursday morning. But let me confirm that. I think it's Thursday or Friday. Hey, Red Candles, good morning. Good morning, Gen X Trades. Okay, Rocky says, quite the sell-off in bonds. Interesting. I like this. Sell-off in bonds, 10-year, from 3.99 to 4.15. That is a pretty big move. That is a big move for bonds, right? Long bonds are saying there is going to be issued with government debt longer term. Very interesting. What does that mean? That's very interesting that interest rates are going up, even though we're expecting a rate cut on Wednesday. Okay, No Luck Pure Skills says, yes, I'm shooting from 25,808, and you want to see 7.0. Oh, wow. Okay, get untouched, which is an SMT high. I'm targeting 760. Let's go. A lot of EQ lows. I love this. I kind of want to show you guys my new glasses. I'll be right back. Okay, I got 2 of them. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, so here's one. I'm still trying to get used to them. And I have been wearing them more. They kind of make me dizzy because my eyes aren't used to the prescription. So I did get LASIK in one eye. I did get LASIK in one eye, I think in like around 2020. And it worked fantastic, even just doing it in the one eye. But now like my vision has been changing. It was a super light prescription, and that's why I was able to do it with just one eye. And but now my vision's changing. Oh my gosh, so hard to see. Okay, so this is option 1. Oh, it's switching long from here. Okay, good luck. Good luck, Pure Skill. Have a great week to you too, 007. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can see so much better. Good morning, Coach Fred. Oh, thank you. I look like a doctor. I have been mistaken for people's pharmacist before and doctor before. Like random people have walked up to me and said, oh, Dr. So-and-so. And I'm like, no, I'm not a doctor. Okay, so here is this is 1. And then this is 2. Ooh, they're kind of dusty. Yeah, it's to see far away. Oh my gosh, thank you, Gen X. Okay, this is 2. I don't know if these are cute or not. So when I went to pick them up, I didn't want to wait. So I just picked them up. And I was like, I'll come back. So these are like really loose, right? So people who don't wear glasses, when you get glasses, like actual prescription ones, they will melt the plastic and bend it to your head so it doesn't slide off like this. Hi guys, I am the market expert. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, thank you, Coach Fred. Thank you. Okay, these need to be fitted because it's like falling off my face. These aren't so bad though. Yeah, so what happened was I went to the DMV. Okay, so we're just waiting for the first inside bar to appear for us. Congrats if anyone took that 7 o'clock candle break. Yeah, so I went to the DMV, you guys, and I had to renew my driver's license, and I was pushing my forehead so hard against the thing, and you have to read out the letters to prove that your eyesight is all good. And I had to press so hard. I still passed it, but I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go get my eyes checked. Okay, Adrian says, I think the first one fits better. Yes, I agree. I think so. I want to get like some really cute ones that are like giant, that are like giant ones. These are the value glasses. I picked out the value ones because, I want to buy other things. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. When you go to the DMV and you're like, oh man, those letters, they're so little and it's a little blurry. And I was like squinting. Okay, Trader 007 is asking, will we get a rally? It's possible. Anything's possible. We might get a rally. We might get a dump. We just don't know. Yeah, anything's possible. When we look at the daily, so last week was interesting. It just was a slow grind higher last week. Not much happened. Here's the daily chart. I mean, this is still very bullish. Very bullish still. And the whole quantitative tightening ending, I have heard that does put a bullish overall theme, like it's very good for stocks in general. But we're day traders, so we're just looking for like quick pieces of the pie. Bulls, bears, we can make money each day. Like if the market is pumping like this, I feel like as a bear, you can definitely, okay, we're on the 5-minute chart now. You can definitely make money, but you have to be able to pick your spots, right? And then if you're wrong, you've just got to cut it and get out and stay out and not do that erratic trading, right? That emotional trading that I know gets me in trouble. Let's go. Thank you, ICT. Yeah, let's see what happens around the London high. Coach Fred, what is your model of, or I shouldn't say your model. How do you like to trade? Are you like an intraday swing trader or are you like a scalper? Are you a little bit of both? Hey, Edward. Good morning. Yeah, Edward, we are watching this level with Coach Fred here. Let's see what happens with the London highs. Ooh, I'm going to share a statistic with you guys from Edgeful. Okay, I'm going to pull it up. Let me sign in. If we open within the inside of the previous day's range, I thought this was a really interesting stat. Okay, they have these really cool reports, and I will share more. Let's look at NQ. Most of us trade NQ. Yeah, I think like looking at these stats can definitely help you with your trading. Ooh, we are going, it just took out the highs. Gosh, I'm so tempted to just take a quick scalp. It's okay. I missed it. So like when Sometimes I'll put a buy stop above like a good level and then just try and get like 10 points. Okay, NQ. So this report is called Inside Bars. And let's run it. So this is from taking data from 6 months ago, starting in June 9th till December 5th. So 79% of the time, NQ, if we open within yesterday's range of the inside bar, okay, so let me say this here. I'll look at the daily. If we open, when New York opens, if we open within this bar, so this is Friday's bar, we have, based on previous historical statistics from the last 6 months, we have a 79% chance that we will break either the high or the low. So it can set up like really good, interesting trade ideas, right? So that's something to know. I have thought about like setting up some type of strategy where if we are close to yesterday's high like this, you just take a short for a cheap short and then put your stop above the high and then targeting the low. I'm curious to know if you do that over time, if you would make money, right? Because your R&R would be huge. For this type of trade though, you would get it wrong often. Yeah, and you have to be able to be patient with that type of trade and let it run like literally all day long because it's not going to go from one end to the other end in like 5 minutes. Yeah, so it's interesting. Okay, look at this. I like this. I am going to hop in short. I like this rejection. So this is my $200 bracket. It's just automatically, it just throws it out. Let's see if it can hit. My TP is at 807. Wow. It went up, checked prices, and just turned right around. Let's go. I wouldn't be surprised if we do test VWAP sometime today, whether in pre-market or during New York. Just because it's a Monday and I'm kind of thinking like, there's a lot of news this week. There could be a lot of trading back and forth. We are opening up with a gap here. So 80 points in the green so far. I just wouldn't be surprised, right? Anything can happen. It doesn't mean the market it's not going to just like rip higher before it actually comes and checks VWAP. But I do like the idea of market coming back and checking VWAP sometime today. Hey, good morning. Loving nature. I know, Rocky, NQ. Seriously. NQ is just like always playing with our hearts. I'm glad I didn't chase that long. Ooh, Pure Skill is going short. Good luck. Oh, wow. Ethan, hey, Ethan. Ethan says Trump is yapping so early in the morning. Okay, let's go. Thank you, President Trump, for giving us volatility. Let's go. 200 bucks. Okay, we're still waiting for the first inside bar to present itself. Ooh, child. It's coming down. Powell said his last FOMC Q2 ending December 1st. So has happened. Yes. I feel like it's already priced in, but people are telling me, other people who trade stocks are telling me that it's like overall like a good thing for the markets and it's a good thing for the bulls. But I'm wondering if how much of that is priced in or if the market just keeps pricing it in. I'm not sure. Rocky says China export minister also speaking. Interesting. I did see this headline that China imports into the US is down like 25%, which sounds significant. And I'm wondering if the market will price that in. I don't know if that's good or bad or what, but it seems significant. Let's see here. China exports to US. News. China trade surplus hits 1 trillion in just 11 months despite plunge in shipments. Okay, I don't know the exact. Oh, okay, here it is. 10 hours ago from CNBC. China's export to US extend double-digit decline, dropping 29% in November. Despite trade truce. A headline from CNBC. Woo, child. I think we'll get some volatility today. Oh, Coach Fred, did you get stuck in a long position? Okay, has said economic advisor to White House also talking. I love this. Lots of people talking. ICT 893, you're looking at. Interesting. Oh, okay. So Alfred, are you awake? Are you here? Alfred's showing, no, I don't think he's here. So he showed us how he uses gamma levels with options. And I'm super curious because I kind of want to take a look at those too. So I might pay like $100 for some type of subscription so that I can see like those gamma levels. I was listening to this options trader that made $24 million and verified trader. He's a physician by trade, and then he took $1 million and now it's at 24 million. And he was talking about his strategy with what he does with options. And it sounds like one of the things that he looks at out of many, but one of the things are gamma levels. So I think it is interesting. Okay, Rocky says, China Commerce Minister speaking. Sorry, China gradually applying export licenses to rare earth metals. Oh, it's a resource fight, you guys. I like this for a 1-to-1 target too. Do I dare go back in after we just closed out that trade so quickly? I'll wait, even though I think it will, go back to this VWAP at some point. Oh, you guys, I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait. It looks like so juicy. Oh, wait. It'll probably go here at some point, and it's okay. It's okay if I miss a trade. It's juicy, right? No inside bar yet. Okay, so this 7 o'clock candle, the open was 803. Interesting. So that means on the hourly we made a wick. Ta-da! I'm so smart. On the hourly, if this can close down, that's a nice reversal pattern for people who trade off the hourly. Yeah, I like it. This is a wick too. Wicks are very interesting to me because it's like a rejection, right? Like it went all the way up and then it checked prices and the buyers just weren't there to sustain the pushing the prices higher. Isn't it funny when you look at hindsight? It's like, oh, trading is so easy. Just short every time you see these reversals. Just short. Go long. You see these reversals. Yeah, it's hindsight though. Okay, yeah, I'm still liking this. Ooh, we have an inside bar. Let's go. All right, let's take the break. Sell. Are we gonna get tagged in? The low is 799. All right, we're in. We are in, this is that $200 bracket. It looks about 1-to-1, so I'll leave it on. Pretty good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. NQ. Good morning, Rose. Thank you so much. I hope you had a good weekend. Who's with me? Who's going to work on that risk management piece this week? I swear, every week, we're just going to keep working on it again and again and again and again until we get so good at it. No, it's a short. I'm short. Right here, it says -1. So I'm -1 micro, or not micro, mini. And here is my entry price. Okay, let's go. Woohoo! First, this, I shouldn't say first inside bar. First inside bar while we're together works. Hey, ICT, you must be short too. Congrats. No Luck Pure Skill is also short. We're winning this morning. Oh, here we are coming back to this VWAP. So I feel like on days where it's like, what's the likelihood that we will check prices kind of back and forth? If I see like a big push off VWAP, if I'm feeling like it's that type of day, then that can be like a really nice trade, right? Like back to VWAP. So that would be like a mean reversion trade. Ooh, child. We've moved quite a bit in just 15 minutes for pre-market. This is a lot. Opposite is also true for the mean reversion traders that like to go long. Thank you for subscribing. Yes, let's go. Good monies. W's. W's for everyone who caught that short. Jib Smith. I'm going to start calling you Smith, okay? Smith says, how you know when it's positive or negative, the inside bar. Oh, okay. Well, typically, if you trade this strategy, it would be you take the break of it. So like this high. Well, and you can set up the strategy to be any way you want. Like, for example, if you're short biased that day, maybe you only want to take the shorts on the breaks on the low side of the inside bar. Or if you're bullish biased for the day, you might only want to take the breaks on the high side. So it's traditionally, I'd say people who trade inside bars, traditionally it's a breakout strategy. So whenever price breaks either above it or below it. So the high of this is 811. The high of this candle is 810. So it never would have tagged you in on the long side. And then the low of this candle is 799.75. So you would put like a stop order under it or above it to pull you into the trade. Yeah, it's like a breakout trade. It falls into that breakout strategy arena. And if you think about it, it's like a break of consolidation because an inside bar means it's consolidating within the previous bar. And what you're looking for is a break of that consolidation. Yeah, there's different ways of trading it. Make it your own, make it fit what fits you, what feels good to you. People like you see this inside bar situation on across multiple time frames. This is the hourly. It's consolidating, right? But you do have to be careful because sometimes if it's just going to chop around, you also can get chopped around. Here's a daily with the inside bar. So you can see it even in other time frames. Does it always work? Absolutely not. Nothing works all the time. So you do have to kind of figure out like some type of system, what risk reward would work best for you. I have thought about like, do I let it run and go risk one to get two, because I have seen it work many times where you will get two. And then I think, well, but sometimes it pulls back. If it pulls, like sometimes it'll pull back. And then if you lose on it, then that's going to affect your whole numbers. That's a tricky part, right? Of trying to set up some type of systematic strategy. So you can use this and then use discretion on top of it. Like you can say, like, for example, earlier, how I was saying, oh, like I think price can go back to VWAP. Well, that's discretion. And you could pair it up with discretion. Like, okay, I'm looking for a price to go back to VWAP. Maybe the first inside bar that appears while I'm waiting, maybe I'll take the break of that towards thinking that it will go towards VWAP. Yeah, I think a lot of traders use discretion and systematic together. Some traders use just purely discretion, just market experience. I have yet to meet a trader. That's purely systematic, except for Ash Trades. I think he might be purely systematic. He's one of the very few, I feel like. But I should ask him that question. If he feels like he's like 100% systematic. But someone could debate and say that kind of how he reads the market, there is some discretion to it, right? Like I feel like if you're 100% purely systematic, that's where you can type in all your conditions into an algo and have the algo trade for you. I think for a lot of traders, it's like really hard to capture these nuances. Like maybe today I'm going to trade lighter because I'm feeling like it's a back and forth type of day. Like how do you code that, you know? Hello, teacher. I'm going to call you 81. YouTube is so weird, you guys. Sometimes it'll show your handle, like at name, but sometimes it'll show your like whatever name it is that you pick. Hey, 44. All right. I think that was a good trade. We had two good trades. So booked about $400 before commissions. So 400 before commissions. I don't know exactly what the commissions are with my funded futures. I should learn that. Does anyone know? I'm gonna see if I can find that for us. My funded futures commissions. I had a year where I was trading my personal account, and when I looked back, it was like early in my trading career. When I looked back and I looked at how much I spent on commissions, it was so much money. It was so much. And it ended the year negative for me. If I hadn't spent that much on commissions, I would have, like, my trading would have net green. So the commissions can definitely add up. Okay, how much are commissions? Oh, that can't be right. It says $1 in Google search. That can't be right. Tick value. Oh, those are just the tick values. I'll have to find out and then come back to you guys. No, I am not in a trade. 42.81. We just took 2 wins, about $400. You'd be surprised how easy this market it has been since SPY was 396. Interesting. Well, I'm happy for you. It hasn't been easy for me. Yeah, Adrian, true. Adrian says this is why they say swing trading is generally more profitable. With intraday, if you're in and out of trades, all of those commissions do add up. Yeah. No, for real though, I'm happy for you. Trades. Calms trades. I think if you're You know, if it's feeling easy for you, that's awesome. Ooh, another inside bar. I'm not going to take it though, because we already had 2 wins. I'm going to wait until we stream on My Fund of Futures, and then I will take the inside bar over there. Yes, exactly. Type in 1, you guys, if you feel like trading is difficult. I think trading can be very easy, or not easy. Trading can have simple concepts. Trading can be simplified, but it doesn't mean that it's easy. You know, it's like dribbling a basketball is simple, but it's not easy to be a top basketball player in the NBA type of idea. Oh, ICT, no FOMO, no FOMO. Oh, we're going to help you out. No FOMO. All right, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for smashing that like button and subscribing and joining me this morning. I will see you tomorrow morning. I'm going to head out, and I will be on the My Fund of Future stream in about 19 minutes. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning.